What is up, guys? Welcome back to another video. I'm actually heading to a car meet right now. I wanted to go to the one in Milpitas, but I just came out of work and I actually left work a little bit early. At 9 p.m. Yeah, that's early for me. Anyways, I'm on my way to get some footage for you guys at this car meet. Hopefully it gets cracking. I was supposed to be there yesterday as well. It looked like it got super cracking and somebody got arrested. So hopefully it gets popping the same way and we make some good content for you guys, man. I miss going out to the car meets, meeting a lot of people. Most of my subscribers are coming from the car meets, and yeah, well, let's get it. I'll pick up the camera right now as soon as I get there because, like always, I'm running super late. I'll pick up the camera right now. All right, we made it, and it's cracking. Starting from here, all the way down. It is fucking packed. Let me get off real quick. Holy fuck, C8. This thing is dope. Damn, this thing looks a lot different on pictures than real life. Super sick. Homeboy right there with a microphone. Cops are coming in. This thing is sick. Besides this one, there's a Subaru right there. As you guys know, I'm a Subaru fan. Oh shit, an M2. And what else? What else do we have on this side? Nothing much. But out of everything, this one's sick as fuck. Oh fuck, I didn't see that Type X. I didn't see the wing. Yeah, fucking dope. Ooh, almost hit him. Yeah, that's a sick S240. Yeah. Dude, out of all of them, that's a sick ass fucking lineup right there. You. Seeing them little Supras. Oh. Start them young.
You fucking slide? Alright. No, I don't slide, but I pull up right here. This is my third time pulling up. That's buddy, my fucking third time.
Swag.
We're not trying to do any of that shit. We're not trying to do anything, bro. We're not trying to slide right now because 5-0's here. We're telling you, bro, straight up. 5-0's here. We can't slide right now. That's what we're telling you.
We can't put on a show like that, bro.
Put on a show.
We want this shit to continue, bro.
Like we can.
We want this shit to continue, straight up, bro.
It's way too hot out here, bro. Nah, I've been telling them, bro.
We're telling them, we can't find him right now. We're chilling, homie. You feel me? If he wants to see a show, he can put on the show. He has a car. You guys have a car, but you guys can play your show.
Nah, but you guys are hosting it too.
It don't matter, though, dog. It don't matter, homie. It don't matter, dog. It don't matter. Yeah, bro. The cops are passing. Bro, there's a cops are around here, dog. We're not gonna get our cars taken away, bro. You feel me? We got 3 cars taken away last night, dog. We can't Yeah, bro, we're trying to get Sonic, but right now, like I told you, boy, bro, we're just right here chilling, bro. You feel me? We're trying to get people to get here, bro. That's what I'm saying, bro. We're trying to get people to get here, bro. We're trying to get people to show up here, dog. You feel me? Bro, they're trying to chill us, man. They know we all see our shit, homie. We put a show. You feel me? Right now, like I said, chilling for me. The cops have been here.
They got ready without a win on time.
Sonic, cool. That's what I'm
Hey, block this shit off. You want more? Block this shit off then. Y'all want more? Hey.
Y'all want more? Good evening, gentlemen.
Hey, tell me what that thing do, though.
What they do now, man?
Hey, that's where they got stickers for the car.
Dude, shout out to the homie right here. Let me hop in this C8.
Let's go home. This nigga's not on fucking cases, bro.
Fucking clean.
Let's go home, bro.
Just this. Damn, bro. Alright, everybody's leaving. Everybody's leaving. So we're gonna head out to. We're gonna call it a night here. Oh, jeez. Just watch his homies take off. Now this thing is dope as fuck. But I'm gonna be on the mix too, so I'm gonna leave. Alright, so everybody's taking off. I'm about to take off. Cops are there. So let's hop in the whip and dip.
Alright, so they said there was a second location, so I'm gonna head to the second location. I'm not sure if there's gonna be, excuse me, anybody out there, but I'm just gonna go just for the hell of it and go from there. Hopefully it gets cracking out there. But yeah, anyways, shout out to everybody who approached me this earlier today. Much love to you guys. Yeah, shout out to whoever subscribed to the channel. Thank you guys.
That's right! They get a that's right at least.
Do it for the blog, bro.
Alright guys, so meet is done. I'm on my way home. The cops are about to pull up on the second location. At least I got a little donies for you guys, and yeah.
Check it. Yo, this beat so heavily, so I deceptively preach inside of my mind and take whatever's left of me. A soul dissectomy, yeah, a well-known enemy, ever changing the man that I was for. My true identity, yo, check out my pedigree, full bitches and readily, rule rhythms and melodies, full bitches and heavy weed. Fuck your amenity, life, a given memory, time, soon is ending it while we live in selfishly. Cynical brain, killing a physical frame, minimal gain, pitiful lyrical moment of change, pinnacle stage, critical age. Everything that I've done in my life has led me to this day.